Welcome to custom music distribution. First, you're going to create a Google account. Go to www.ads.google.com. Then you're going to go into expert mode. Click on campaigns and then click on this blue plus button. Then click on new campaign. After that, click on website traffic, video, and then you're going to have to set up conversion tracking. Go to my other courses if you have bought my course, and I explain step by step how to set up the conversion tracking. After you finish setting it up, you're going to go through the steps one more time and then press continue. You're going to create the campaign name. Then you're going to set the budget and the length of time. Then you're going to choose your networks, set your language, enter the locations that you would like to target. Then you're going to scroll down and create an ad group. Then you're going to select your demographics, gender, age, parental status, and household income. Then you're going to scroll down. If you have any relevant keywords that you would like to put, you could put here. But we're going to go straight into placements. Put in Worldstar. Go to YouTube channels, and I'm going to click this box. You see the YouTube channel Worldstar Hip Hop has over 23 million subscribers. So that gives your video a lot of chances to appear right before the videos that Worldstar uploads. Enter your music video. After you enter your music video, you're going to put your website or your Spotify website, Apple Music website, whichever website you want to put down. This is where you put it. Then you put the display URL. This is where your website will be displayed. Then after that, you're going to enter your call to action. Make sure it's 10 or less characters. It will be displayed right here. And make sure you use action words such as watch more. And then you're going to put your headline. Make sure it is catchy. They're going to watch your music video for at least 5 seconds, and you want to hold their attention. You're going to create an ad name, and then you're going to click on create campaign.